Hello, welcome. Okay, so before we start the boring study session, I want to follow up on the bug report that I sent to T-Max. Okay, and it looks like, well, let me open this one first, right? Okay, okay, so the problem is, let's say I am on the etc directory, right? And then I use this command, basically chain command using the semicolon, this one, and the chain command is that new window and the split window. So if we use that in here, as you can see, there is a difference in the directory place, right? It's not the same as this one, so it's not really expected, I guess. And well, so now I kind of tried the, what is it called, the mechanism, like this one, sh auto gen sh, right? The gen sh, it's basically just this one, right? I see local, auto make, auto recurve. I'm still not sure how that works yet, but I've tried to generate this file, I guess, and then using configure. Now in offline stream, not offline stream, in off stream, I find out the as Linux package build, which T-Max already released a new version, I guess, 3.6a. And in this package build for as Linux, we are using another flag, so it's not really using only .configure. We are using another flag. I think we can cross out this prefix, because I think this is to put the default directory, what is it called, directory for the installation, I guess. Yeah, I think we can ignore this, and I've tried this 3 flag, and it seems like the problem is on this flag. Well, let's me demo that, I guess. Make clean. Okay, can we make clean again? Okay, and then let me end this finish its file type the tag. Okay, now make clean. Let me check this first. configure and then make okay. First let me demo what is the expectation, something like this, and then make me start. Right, I want it in the etc directory, this one. Okay. And remove the try run comment. Okay, I think it is something like this. Well, I can also exit once just to make sure it is exiting and not continuing with the next comment. Okay, alright. Let's make that executable, right? Run. There is this div that the maintainer sent. It's, I guess, is basically just log debug and error no, right? Yep. I already patched this thing, I guess. And now let's take a look at this. User login, okay. And then let's detach that. etc user login tmax. Test L is basically we are creating a new socket for the tmax server, which by default in this directory. The default one use the default socket, and I also create a new socket for this drop-down tmax window. So when I kill the default server, the scratchmax server is not affected. No. And we can also create this without any, what is it called? Without any config, and also spare it socket, I guess. And then here this one. And I already copied the comment. Oh no. Okay, like this one. See, this is the expected behavior. Okay, right, this is the expected behavior. When using chain comment, which in this case new window and split window, the pane current path on put this comment should be the same. Right. this is the expected behavior. Let's kill this server. See, it did not affect my Tmax. What is it called? Floating window or scratchpad window, I guess. Okay, and then I think we should apply. Yes, we should apply this one. Just in case I forgot. Run, and then using configure, let me try using this tree, right? Left, okay. Not this one, not this one. Yeah, let's just put this in one line like this. Well, I mean, like this is also fine, I guess. Or maybe this one, right? So we can see run just to make sure. Okay. Alright, let me run that. I also haven't tried like using the new update of Arch Linux. Maybe there is some issue when we use this and get fixed on the new release, I guess. Okay, let's detach that and then local. You know what? Let's say user local pin, so I can copy and paste easily, you know. This. Okay, and then let me also copy this one. Right, okay. What? Oh. Yeah. Okay. Now, oh, right. Wait. Server, wait. I think I didn't show the correct one, you know, like. Now we can do this, and then this one. Right. I think it didn't show the right workflow, I guess. The right method to reproduce the bug. Okay, let's compile that again. Anyway, yeah. Here's okay. After that, I want to, after we are confirming the bug, I guess, this one, and then etc, right? Then copy this one. Boom. Okay, yeah, now this is the right, what is it called? The right reproduce step, I guess. Right, okay, now kill server, and then again run. Okay, run. DC, right? And then repeat this one. See, for some reason it did not the same as this one, right? Yeah. Okay, now let's try using one flag at a time. I already have, yes, okay. Okay, so 6 cell does not cause the issue. Now let's try utempter. I honestly still have no idea what that means. Tempter, is that how you pronounce it? Okay, utempter. Let me check again. Okay. Yep. Run. at least we kind of know how to compile tmax from source code and compile tmax from the git repo. Alright, now let's detach that with this etc. Right, okay. Alright, so the utempter does not cause the issue. Now let's type the system T, enable system T. System T, right? Okay, right. It is not the same as this one and this one. Okay. Alright, okay. Let me kill server. Now we kind of found the problem is this one, right? But the maintainer asked me to reboot and show the log again, right? So let's do that first. But we will be using Jigsaw and utempter to Jigsaw to replicate what kind of setup that Arch Linux has, I guess. Yeah, except for the prefix, I don't think the prefix really matter in reproducing the log. Okay, run. We haven't started the study session yet. Okay. Well, in a way, we are studying how to debug a program, I guess. Okay, alright. I think I want to copy the executable into the home directory. It etc. What is it? User, okay. Pin, okay. Tmax. Home directory. So we expand that. Okay. I already have tier 1 and tier 2, okay. Okay, let's see. This is right. Tier 1, tier 2, right. City into tier 1. City into tier 2. And then copy the comment. Come tier 2 and tier 1. Okay. I'm using this verbose flag. So yeah, let's debug version. Okay, it works. City tier 1. No, Tmax. Right. Tmax. Verbose this one. Okay. No. What is it called? No config file, and then using test socket. Okay. And then we change directory to tier 2, right? And then we copy this one and enter. Okay, then we kill the server. Alright, let's check. There is 3, what is it called? 3 log, I guess. Wait. Let me check. I already apply the patch. Right. Debug. Okay. And we are compiling with those flag, I assume. Well, we can check, I guess. Server with the this is old one, Windows 50s. Oh, it's gonna take a while. Okay. Yeah. The old one have more line. Is that it? Interesting. Let's have a look. Okay, interesting. Well, let's just put that in the zip. 7C. Is it called zip, right? And then is all of it, I guess. Okay. 10.6. Okay. There is 3 file. Alright. Refer to it. This is the log file after buying the diff. Is it in there? No, not this one. Tier 1. So find out that the binary, what is it called? That thing that's not using flag enables Excel. And then system T. What is the executable? It configure file, I guess. Utempter, okay. Utempter. Script like this. Run. Let's just put this into one line. No, not that. No. Okay, like this. Yep. Utempter. Enable system T. Using the flag ini. Here's how to Should I add the comment though? I mean, how I reproduce the issue. Is how I compare the Tmax okay. Okay, let's add the reference. Snap. Debug package reference. Little bit. It seems like using the flag enable system T the issue. Enable system decoding the issue. Here's how I compare the Tmax Any protest the issue? Make clean. Configure, okay. Let's close. No. User pin, right? User local pin, okay, right? User local pin. User local pin tmax, okay. Okay, so we can comment this. Right, let me put this in here. And okay. So I'll go back. Just making sure. I mean, I still have that in my home directory, right? Wait, what? Okay. Comment. Okay. kill this one and then right now clips T-Max. Okay, let's get started, I guess. Okay, near an hour. Okay. Let me go to the toilet first, I guess. Be right back. The toilet's still occupied. Abort mission. Okay, anyway. Hello. Yeah, I want to try this, I guess. Previously we already tried this, right? Of max sign, min sign, right? Now use it's right. Let's define this here. Half max sign. Reference type, okay. Type 1. Oh no, okay. Bitwise operator that I'm not really sure of. Type egg -2. Okay, You know what? Maybe we should do this instead. Okay. And then max sign. Sign type. Should we like this, right? How do I do this? Right. Maybe. And then min sign. Define min sign type. Negative 1, negative. That make me curious though. Alright, let's check that out. Macro define half max sign. Type 1 bitwise operator. Okay, type egg negative toy, right? Yeah, maybe we should also add this just to make things easier to distinguish, I guess. Then it should be fine, right? Okay. Macro list, right? Now define max sign. Oh, right. We can use the completion. Okay, I'm not really a Mac user, so I am not sure about the default readline key binding. Okay. Wait. Limits it's in max. Okay. Let's try this and 2147 483 647. Okay. Now macro define min sign type. Okay. Negative 1. Max sign type. Think like this, right? if we do this, oh, okay. Right. This may be. Is there any difference? Oh, okay. No. Okay, right. Print. Still the same, right? Okay. But, well, let's do it that way. Maybe to make it consistent like this, I guess. If anyone knows the difference, like between using this one and this one, please let me know in the chat or comment if you watch this after live stream. I still have no idea. Okay, wait, let me go to the toilet. City, okay. Don't forget to drink water. Let's get started. Okay, let's, I guess, oh no. Okay, yep. Change that, okay. Let's also change this. Excuse me. So change this, right? And then min and max. Yeah. I guess. What is it called? Using the underscore means that this is not supposed to be used directly. Okay, I'm assuming. You know what? Let's use the macronym without underscore. Without the, what is it called? The prefix underscore or the suffix. Yeah, I kind of forgot. Define min type. The ternary operator, right? Min sign type, and then this one. Type 0, okay. What? Wait. Okay. Define max type. Wait a minute. Okay. Type and using, I guess, bitwise operation, right? Type. Okay. This kind of make me curious. Okay. Can we like see the macro list in it? Oh no. Okay, let's start. No. Okay, right. Macro list. No, okay. Let us see. Let's stop in this one. Click on the function eval expression, symbolic expression, and then run. No, not run, continue, I guess. 69, okay. Macro list, no, okay. Print, no, in the current scene. Oh, okay. Let me check. Say programming GTP. What GTP? This macro to find. Info macro. Oh, okay. That I want to see, huh? Okay. It's no definition. Oh, GT Wharf and J3. What is? And then W. Wait. One by one, I guess. Let's check GCC and then GT Wharf. What is that? In dwarf format. What is dwarf format? Am I pronouncing that correctly? Okay. But then we already using 12 format, right? Maybe we should use J3. Maybe run na. Debug, okay, J3. Extra information such as the macro definition present in the program. Level 1. I think the default is level 0. Oh no, the default is level 2. Okay. And then where is the level 2? GTPO. And also use level. There's only 1. There's only 0, I guess. No debug information at all. And then 1. And then 3. This 1. But where is the 2? the last such option is the one that is effective. Okay, maybe we can do this. Wait. I mean, from the main page, GTTP level, you know? Right? Maybe. Yes. Tebak again. Okay. Let's try this out. No. Start. No. Okay. Grow. List. No. Okay. What happened? Print. No. No current symbol. No symbol half make in the current context. Okay. Let's break in this, and then let me copy this. No, continue, I guess. 69, okay. Print, no. That is very interesting. Okay, maybe I should use it like this one. Maybe, I am not really sure. Okay, undeclare. Oh, interesting. How is it undeclared? I mean, so we like to clear the file in the C file instead. Like this one, for example. Oh, no. Wait. Okay, I think I found the problem. Should be like this, right? I forgot the bracket. Oh, not that make me wonder. No context. Start. No. Okay. Okay, now we are talking. Right. Okay. Yes. I mean, if we are using this symbol, but if we start, okay, print, right? Max. Okay, right. this, let's say. Yes. Start. No. Not in the context, okay. Yep. We need more information for that. Yes. Okay, right. Okay. But it did not appear in the macro list. Okay, interesting. And then max sign. Max -1. Wait a minute. Min sign. Okay, min type. Right. And this is only type. Macro define max type. Okay. Min type. Did previously we also have -1 for min and max? Maybe. Macro, okay. And def. Macro list, okay. Let's use sign in. Oh, limits.age, and then in max, right. Four two nine four 967-295. Okay. almost done. Completely at compile time. A variable without done. So later we can assign a certain value to a variable without losing precision. Oh, I think this message is because we are using integer like this one, but then yeah, I'm still not sure. Oh, wait, maybe because of this one, less than 1. No. Printable. Double zero. What is wrong? Sorry. Maybe it should be like this. Or maybe the bitwise operation is using integer, need an integer value. If that is the case, then maybe I should change this to in, right? To make it clearer. Is that the word? Okay. No, not that one. Yes, okay. Screen. Okay, start. No. Okay. How about long? Oh. Unsigned not in. Yeah, I think let's call it unsigned in. We don't really need to add in, right? Because signed and unsigned is only in the integer, if I understand that correctly. Same programming in double, for example, or float maybe. Unsigned double. Let's find out. Okay, why doesn't it have unsigned float? Programmers sometimes think too much, right? Okay. For float, okay. I think I've already seen this in the early session. Implementation supported. Oh, this one, and then right, okay. Okay, and then have max sign. Let's use this as unsigned. Alright. Sign, okay, okay. Unsigned. Right, and then we compare again. Start. No. Wait. Print. Mark unsigned, okay. Oh, let's see. Oh, the interesting part is that, yeah, okay, but then do we use any of that? Oh, and off. Interesting. I mean, let's try this min and max. Okay, assign. Sign, Wait, print mark sign in long. Okay. Developer. Destination source. Yeah, I guess I don't really want to use type of because it is GCC extension. I'm trying to make this as portable as possible, if that makes any sense. Define, assign, testing, right? Destination, SRC, SRC. Yes. Let's add some space, I guess. With auto nominate, macro, expand. Site none. Okay, to make things easier to read, you know, for my future self. not really type, but testing. Now this make me kind of interested. Okay, kind of curious, I guess. Okay, X. Okay, and then why is it red? Like this. Is that how we use it? Interesting. Let me check my example of macro. No. Oh, not in this one thing. In the compound statement. Oh. Interesting. Why is it red? Work out the file. Okay, let's find out. No, not that one. Oh, this one. Expand in. The question is that how do we use assign? C, what is C? Okay. Oh, is this a ternary operator? But this one is the, what is it called? The source. And if we use type of operator, right? Expand will be something like that. I'm kind of curious, what is the C in here? Is there any, what is it called? Example of the usage. Oh, same type of C. Okay. Maybe CAB is a value, you know. AB and then okay. It looks like it is a value, I guess. Yeah, but why do we need the bracket for this? We can just do this, right? I mean, this will be replaced by this one during the preprocessor stuff, I guess. Preprocessing. I'm kind of curious why this one look like as red. Do we need to do this? No, right? Well, let's try that out. YYX again. We have source first. Okay, and then we have destination. TXK is equal Y. X extend 1, Y less than 1, and then K void. press the destination to void type. Oh, no. This is one operator. So we cross this, what is it called? This is not comparison, so assignment, I guess. Why do we cross to the void? Interesting. Hello, Omar Abdullah. Welcome. Currently, I'm trying to check how to handle integer overflow in C using this reference. Wait, let me copy this in the chat. Is anyone wants to check that out too? Or you can check the description. I did put this in the description, the reference. Okay. Where am I again? Assign. Right. I'm trying to understand how this works. Okay, this gets into the void, and why do we need to cast this assignment to the void? Like the value of underscore y is assigned to this, right? And then why this need to be cast into void? Yeah, I'm still have no idea, but well, let's try that out. Yeah, I'm kind of curious why using the bracket like this or like this. Is there any difference? Yeah, I guess I'm trying to not use the bracket like this one, right? And also, yeah, I don't really use the underscore one. I mean, we are already in the different scope, right? But yeah, I might want to use underscore because there's a chance that I have x and y variable, right? Okay, to not really conflict, I guess. Y, and then this. Okay, let's do this. Why is it red? Should I do this instead? Yeah. Did my syntax wrong? Well, let's try this out first. 0 Oh, okay. Oh, right. Okay. Wow. This one or this one, right? This is what I don't really understand again. Like, why is it red? Why the curly bracket red? That is interesting. Anyway, let's try compiling this. It works. The compiling succeed, but does not mean it works. Let's try. Okay. It works, I guess. Okay, incorrect type. Okay. And then plus 16.1. Okay. Wait, print. Right, I need to start. Okay. Print assign in, what is it called? 96 in Is that how this work? A syntax error in expression. Oh, okay. This one. Something like this. I mean, if we use macro expand, right, it should expand to this. So what is the problem? So we not done this. Interesting. Okay. Right. Okay, so I guess that's it for now. Maybe we will continue exploring how this works on the next session. Okay, that's it for now. See you next time. Bye bye.